My name is Monique Maia. I will present my work entitled Estimates of Total Phosphorus for Amazon Basin on Expanded Harmonized Soil Database. The element phosphorus is considered a basic element for life on Earth, and it's one of the six most common. The P limits species composition, vegetation dynamics, and the carbon cycle. Besides that, limits agricultural production in acidic tropical soils. There is no information standardized on P in the soil distributed throughout the Amazon basin, only in the permanent monitoring plots. The man on the photo is Beto Quesada, who collected and is responsible for the information. Examples of models and maps of phosphorus in soil. Quesada was able to show patterns of variation by soil type and spatial patterns for total phosphorus in soil in Amazon basin. On the other hand, this pattern was not present in the global models. Furthermore, the estimates of total phosphorus in the soil represent a small part of the available phosphorus for plant. So increasing our level of uncertainty about phosphorus. Soil profile harmonization is a technique of standardizing information at depth with the focus of leveraging information and making that information compatible at an established depth. The study area of this work was the Amazon basin. In this study, we developed models through equations of pedotransfer function using data collected in the field. The input data, the harmonized soil data, hydrogen potential, silt, sand, sum of bases, carbon percentage, clay, calcium, sodium, aluminium, cation exchange capacity, nitrogen, carbon, and nitrogen ratio, potassium, and magnesium. For the climate, the variables precipitation, temperature, and the variable relief. For the creation of the bed transfer equations, sand soils and pod soils were separated from the others and delta IC smaller than 2.05 was considered. For the models, the values ranged from a minimum of 30, medians of 200, and maximums between 500 and sometimes 800. Here is another graphical way of comparing the models. For the maps, the interpolation, the inverse distance weighting method was used, and the original data from the Rainfall project were inserted into the specialization, plus different maps for each sand soil model. See in the GIF. That's it. Thank you.